I apologize if there is background noise. I am in a very populated room right now. But today we're playing Teardown because I've just gotten my own computer for Christmas. Yay! But I just downloaded this thing. I kind of want to see what it is because I just downloaded it. And I kind of want to see what it is because I just downloaded it. And you get the floor.
It's impossible. It makes it impossible.
Where's the thing? There's supposed to be like an eyeball in the sky or something. Where's the sky eyeball? Hello? What in the world? Oh, this is like a terraria thing. Calamity. Boss fight is a terraria style boss fight. If boss is a boss fight, the boss does not provide any boost. So this is not the game. This boss is free to and you must survive this stage. Automatically, and you need to blah blah blah, don't care, start it. Huh? What is this? What is that? My ears, oh my gosh. Why was that so loud? Oh, that's loud. I can't hear anything. That scared the heck out of me. Oh, the lag. Why is it doing that? Oh my gosh. What? How do I shoot at it? Shotgun. Oh, it's making the noise. I can't see. Oh, what is that? Ah, I'm dead. Okay. I just wait. I just gotta run around, hide, and I don't see. I'm dead. I died. I'm already dead. It hasn't even been 5 seconds, or it has, but it has. What is? Oh my gosh! Get me like inside of a. Oh! Portal gun. Portal gun. I don't know how one is supposed to survive this. I can't even use my portal gun. Isn't working. Ooh. Get me inside the portal. Okay, that's. I don't know what I'm supposed to. How do I? I'm dead again. Go, get to the thing, get to the thing. Thing. I'm dead again. You can see my body. Get me to the thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't get the gas station. What happened to the gas station? Ooh! The gas station is gone. It's gone. Ah!
Keep carrying all.
I'm dead again. Okay. The thing. I have a very high stage. Now it's stage 2. I thought this lasted 8 minutes. This feels longer than 8 minutes. Everything's gone. Look at the map. Everything revolver. Come on. I'm gonna get like full teleportation bullets. And auto reloading. Come on, close it. Close the cylinder. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I just spawned back in. I'm dead again.
How?
Oh my gosh. How are you supposed to survive this?
No, you can turn it into red though. You can make it into red.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this.
Who here?
Oh!
You can sugar from the witch.
I don't like that. Where am I? Well, I phased through the map.
Today.
Oh. Oh, I'm teleporting constantly now. Okay. Ah! I think it's kind of stopped a bit.
What? How you guys?
Oh, no. No, it hasn't. There is still a giant death laser chasing me.
In the
I want to fight back. I'm just running away.
Don't get me some. Have you made some of that? Or in their chest. You can go inside the house, chest, they have them sometimes. Or they can just have normal stuff.
At least I'm not dying with this thing. The teleportation lasers. Dang it, not again.
That's some hunger. That's some hunger.
Oh, it's so bright!
That was kind of yes. Extremely.
24 seconds.
No,
Can you get me on the tractor?
go
Where'd the tractor go? No! Tractor! Please! Tractor! I want tractor!
It's horrible when it's raining, and then it like whenever it's daytime, like say it's nighttime, and then all the monsters are outside, and then it turns daytime, but it's raining. It's horrible because then the monsters they can still hit you. Got no food, bro. The food isn't for. Look, yeah, I don't know.
Why is it still going at it? 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. I'm going to literally the last thing that's still there. The lighthouse. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Not the bullet hell. Come on. Oh, there's so many. No! No!
That's my chance. I need you to have it.
Oh, it's gone. You passed your trial. I don't think I did. I died like 72 times. I need like a death counter or something.
See, you can't go outside after monsters. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna
That's it. It's just gone. This is the aftermath. There's nothing.